Could your business be performing better with the help of artificial intelligence? Imagine a workplace where routine tasks are automated, decisions are data-driven, and customer service is enhanced beyond measure. Last week I posted a video on AI versus humans and 7 unique human traits AI can't replace. Today I will be sharing about 7 core business use cases of AI. Now, the potential of AI in business is vast, and understanding its applications could be the key to unlocking untold opportunities. From personalized marketing to optimized resource allocation, AI is not only reshaping industries, but also redefining the way we work. So, are you ready to explore? Let us delve into the 7 core business use cases of AI. Firstly, consider the mundane, repetitive tasks that consume valuable time in your business. Now, imagine a world where these tasks are seamlessly taken care of by artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to automate routine tasks, giving your team the freedom to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work. Take Amazon, for example. They use AI-powered robots to sort and package goods in their warehouses. These robots tirelessly work round the clock, completing tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming and repetitive for their human counterparts. The beauty of automating routine tasks with AI is that it not only saves time, but also reduces errors. By removing the human element from these tasks, the chances of mistakes are significantly reduced. Moreover, AI can work longer, meaning productivity is enhanced. Automation of routine tasks saves time, reduces errors, and enhances productivity. It's a win-win situation for any business looking to streamline operations and boost efficiency. Secondly, imagine making business decisions backed by detailed, accurate data analysis. This is where artificial intelligence really shines. The ability of AI to sift through massive amounts of data and identify meaningful patterns is extraordinary. For instance, take Netflix. They've harnessed the power of AI to understand viewer preferences in a way that was previously unimaginable. Netflix's AI algorithms analyze what you watch, how long you watch it, and even when you pause or rewind. This information is then used to make decisions about what kind of shows to produce, which ones to recommend to you, and even what artwork to show you for each title. Essentially, these smart algorithms are making decisions that influence the viewing habits of millions of people globally. So you see, AI doesn't just aid decision-making, it revolutionizes it. Augmented decision-making can result in more successful business strategies and outcomes. Thirdly, consider your customers' experience when they interact with your business. What if you could offer them a seamless, efficient, and personalized service at any time of day? Well, with AI, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Take chatbots and virtual assistants, for instance. These AI-powered tools can handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and offer round-the-clock support. Let's look at a real-world example. Domino's Pizza, a global giant in the food industry, uses an AI-powered chatbot named Dom to handle orders and customer inquiries. This not only speeds up the ordering process, but also ensures a consistent customer service experience, regardless of the time of day or the number of customers reaching out. So, by leveraging AI, businesses can provide a customer service experience that's not only efficient and consistent, but also highly personalized. AI can provide a consistent, efficient, and personalized customer service experience. Fourth, picture a marketing campaign tailored to individual customer preferences. How, you ask? Well, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the secret ingredient. By analyzing customer data, AI can create personalized marketing and sales strategies. This kind of tailoring can be as simple as recommending products based on past purchases, or as complex as predicting future buying habits and targeting customers with perfectly timed promotions. Let's take Coca-Cola as an example. This global brand uses AI to analyze data from millions of customers, crafting marketing campaigns that speak directly to individual preferences. The result? Customers feel understood and valued. And for Coca-Cola, this means increased engagement and sales. And it's not just the big players who can benefit from this. Small businesses too can leverage AI to deliver personalized experiences to their customers. So, whether you're a global brand or a startup, AI can revolutionize your marketing and sales strategies. Personalized marketing can lead to increased customer engagement and sales. Fifth, envisage optimizing your resources based on detailed utilization patterns. Artificial intelligence is useful in this arena too. It's like having a supercharged 24/7 operations manager who never sleeps. AI can analyze patterns of resource utilization, whether it's manpower, machinery, or materials, and make informed predictions for future allocation. Let's take Uber, for instance. Their business model relies heavily on optimizing driver allocation. AI helps them predict demand surges, enabling them to dispatch drivers where they're most needed. This isn't just about meeting customer needs more efficiently. It's also about maximizing driver earnings and minimizing idle time. But it doesn't stop at ride-hailing apps. From workforce management in corporations to supply chain logistics in manufacturing, AI is helping businesses optimize resource allocation in ways we've never seen before. The result? Increased operational efficiency, reduced waste, and significant cost savings. So, you see, optimized resource allocation can lead to increased efficiency and cost savings. Sixth, imagine predicting equipment failures before they occur. Yes, with AI, it's entirely possible. This is the magic of predictive maintenance. So how does it work? Well, AI algorithms can analyze data from equipment sensors, detecting patterns and anomalies that could indicate potential issues. This allows businesses to address these issues before they escalate into major problems. Let's take a real-world example. General Electric, a multinational company, leverages AI to predict maintenance needs for their industrial equipment. By doing so, they're able to avoid unexpected equipment failures that could result in costly downtime and disruptions to their operations. This is the transformative power of AI. It's not just about reducing costs, but also about enhancing efficiency and productivity. With predictive maintenance, businesses can ensure their equipment is always in top-notch condition, thereby improving their overall operational resilience. Predictive maintenance can prevent costly equipment failures and downtime. Lastly, consider the potential for AI to enhance creativity and innovation. It's not just about automating tasks or crunching numbers. AI can also inspire new ideas and accelerate the innovation process. Imagine, if you will, a world where an AI system could help us overcome creative blocks by suggesting original concepts and solutions. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Take Google's Magenta project, for instance. This innovative venture uses AI to create new music and art. By analyzing patterns and structures in existing works, the AI can generate fresh melodies and visuals, pushing the boundaries of what we traditionally consider creative. And this is just one example. There are countless other ways in which AI can foster creativity, from designing unique product prototypes to crafting compelling marketing campaigns. So, remember this. AI isn't here to replace us, but to augment our abilities. AI can be a valuable tool for driving creativity and innovation in your business. In short, AI is not about replacing humans, but rather augmenting our abilities and freeing us to focus on what we do best. It's like having a powerful, tireless assistant that's always ready to help. Embrace it and let it help you achieve your business goals. Remember to like this video if you found the information helpful, and share it with friends and colleagues who might find it useful. Thank you for watching.